Sentence is passed, the penalty is death. Who can save me from the condemnation of the law? Who can save me? I long to live, I long to be free. Where is the life in this dark reality? Where is the life? The remission of sin, the shedding of blood, the spotless one is taken my place. Not by force, nor by might. By His love, He's taking the sentence of death away, taking it away. The King of all, the Lord of lights, has led me out of the darkness now.